just close my eyes and think of you when I'm sleeping with someone new. There's no need to complicate things. Let's stick to the basics.